Here we go. Continuing on, CNC Group Break number 1244. We're on to 1213 Upper Deck Artifacts. 8 boxes. Good luck, everybody. We've got a blue parallel, number 85 for the New York Rangers, Marian Gaborik. We've got a horizontal jersey, number 36 for the New York Rangers, Brandon Dubinsky. Number 36 for the Rangers. Autofax for the Vancouver Canucks, Maxime Lapierre. Rookie to 9.99 for the New York Islanders, Casey Cizikas. We've got a rookie redemption wild card, number 236. So that'll be a random between everybody. Patch. We've got a Tundra Tandems for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Sharp, Duncan Keith. We got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Vancouver Canucks, Corey Schneider. We got a rookie to 9.99 for the New York Islanders, Matt Donovan. We got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Tony Esposito. And now for the patch. And it is a Treasured Swatches jersey and patch, numbered 11 of 36 for the Detroit Red Wings, Johan Franzen. The Mule. Not too shabby. Box 2. Okay. We've got an Emerald, number 99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Larry Robinson. We've got a dual jersey, number 125 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. We've got an Autofax for the LA Kings, Trevor Lewis. Rookie to 9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Torrey Krug. We got a rookie redemption for the Tampa Bay Lightning. T-Bay, rookie redemption. Patch. We've got a Tundra Trios. That's cool. All two-color swatches. For the Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan, Keith Yandel, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Tundra Trios. Triple jersey. We got a Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the Vancouver Canucks, Roberto Luongo. We got a rookie to 9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Lane McDermott. We got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. And now for the patchy goodness. And it is a jersey and three-color patch, numbered 71 of 75 for the Calgary Flames, Mika Kiprasov. Nice. Box 3. We got a Team Canada Blue Parallel, number to 85 for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. There's the patch. We got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Steve Mason. We got a rookie to 9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Carter Camper. Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. We've got an auto fax for the Calgary Flames, Matt Stajan. Tundra Tandems for the Winnipeg Jets, Evander Kane, Dustin Byfuglien. Rookie to 9.99 for the Anaheim Ducks, Matt Clark. We got a rookie redemption for the Vancouver Canucks, Schrader or Jensen. Probably my guesses on that one. We got a treasured swatches for the Boston Bruins, CloutsnChara. And now for the patch. Oh, that works. Numbered 2 of 5. Team Canada, patch and tag for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. 2 of 5 for the Preds, Shea Weber. That's not too shabby. Box 4. Oh, I love those patch tags. We've got a horizontal dual jersey, number to 36 for the Dallas Stars, Eddie Belfour. Eddie the Eagle. We've got an auto fax for the Florida Panthers, Marco Sturm. Tundra Tandems for the Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan, Keith Yandel. We got a rookie to 9.99 for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly. We've got a rookie redemption wild card, number 235. We've got a patch. We've got a blue rookie, number to 85 for the Calgary Flames, Akeem Aliu. We've got a Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the San Jose Sharks, Dan Boyle. Rookie to 9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Cody Goliath. And we got a goalie insert to 9.99 for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Now for the patch. Wow, look at all the colors. We've got a jersey and patch numbered 69 of 75 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Eric Stahl. All right, box 5. We've got another wild card rookie redemption, number 236. This is the recording. Patch. We've got a Tundra Tandems for the Detroit Red Wings, Dominic Hasek, Jimmy Howard. We got a Team Canada insert to $9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Rookie to $9.99 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeremy Welsh. We got a blue parallel, number to 85 for the New York Islanders, John Tavares. Johnny T. We've got a horizontal jersey, number 36 of 36 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Colton Orr. Autofax for the Florida Panthers, Marco Sturm. Goalie insert to $9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Tim Thomas. We got a rookie to $9.99 for the Colorado Avalanche, Mike Connolly. Okay, boring patch. Player makes up for it. We've got a jersey and patch, number 43 of 75 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Sidney Crosby, jersey and patch number 75. That is acceptable. Box 6. We got a dual jersey, number to 125 for the Colorado Avalanche, Alex Tanguay. Oh, this could be fun. It's a redemption. This could be very fun. Okay, I'm going to have to guess here as to what team he is on for this one. But we've got a redemption for an auto dual jersey, numbered to 35. I'm guessing for the Flyers, Jaromir Jagr. Jaromir Jagr. So we'll double check the checklist to be sure. But Jaromir Jagr, dual jersey and auto, number to 35. That is nice. We got a Team Canada insert to $9.99 for the Florida Panthers, Eric Goodbranson. We got a rookie to $9.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Bollig. Oh yeah, sorry, that's numbered to 12. I was looking at the card number. Yeah, the Jagr's numbered to 12, card number 35. And we've got a Boston Bruins rookie redemption. In all likelihood, Dougie Hamilton, once the season starts. We got a Tundra Tandems for the New York Rangers, Marian Gaborik, Derek Stepan. We got a Team Canada insert to $9.99 for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. We got a rookie to $9.99 for the New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. Nice. We got a Frozen Artifacts for the Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. Checklist says All-Star jersey. I'll look up at his base card to see what it is then once we're done these boxes. Because then that could be an older team. We've got a Team Canada blue parallel, number 85 for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Ellis. So, yeah. So I'll have to take a peek at the base card. I'm going to quickly look through here just in the off chance we pulled him in this box. So I'm assuming this is what the auger is going to be with the dual jersey and autograph. So it's a Rangers hit. There we go. One mystery solved. Alright, box 7. Because the jersey autographs are just parallels of the base card. So, that is what it is. We got a Team Canada insert to $9.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. Sorry, Ange. I guess you just picked the wrong break. We've got a Frozen Art, Treasured Swatches for the Washington Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. We've got an Emerald parallel, number to 99 for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Batch. We've got an Autofax for the Boston Bruins, Adam McQuaid. We got a rookie to $9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Dalton Prout. We've got a rookie redemption for Le Canadien du Montréal. So I am going to guess if the NHL lockout does not go a full season, this will be Nathan Beaulieu. If it does go a full season, maybe Alex Galchenyuk. Because I enjoy speculating. Alright, we got a Tundra Tandems, which will be randomed between the Canucks and Sabres, Zach Kassian, Marcus Foligno. Or Tenori, also possible on the Canadiens redemption, yes. We've got a goalie insert to $9.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford. We got a rookie to $9.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Cody Golyebev. Alright, and here we've got a Team Canada jersey and 2-color patch, number to 75 for the Vancouver Canucks, Zach Kassian. Zach Kassian. And final box of artifacts for the break. Oh yeah, Gallagher too could be as well. Keep forgetting him from Montreal. Rookie to $9.99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Gabriel Dumont. And we got another wild card rookie redemption, number 233. We got a Tundra Trios for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price, PK Subban, Tomasz Plekanec. Gold insert to $9.99 for the San Jose Sharks, Antti Niemi. We've got an Emerald rookie, number to 99 for the Ottawa Senators, Jakob Silfverberg. Got a patch. We've got an emerald base, number to 99 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Ron Francis. We got a dual jersey, number to 125 for the Colorado Avalanche, Paul Stastny. We've got an auto fax for the Ottawa Senators, Nick Foligno. And we got a Team Canada insert to 9.99 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Dustin Tokarski. Now for the patch to finish off the artifacts. It is a horizontal at Team Canada jersey and patch, number 22/24 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Braden Shen. 22/24 for the Flyers, Braden Shen. All right, coming up next, Prime and Dominion.